Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how you can check out the work that your students are doing in NearPod. So this screen is after you hit this home button. This is your library. Here is the geofractions. Hover over it, and you'll see the three dots, horizontal dots. Click, select reports, you can click on the geoboard fractions. The first one is the most recent one. Click that. If you click here, draw it. These are the fraction boards. So I'm going to click the first green bar, and you can see my students have done at least the first one. Keep scrolling. The second one, and so on. The third one. And I think this fourth one is the kids that could have done their own. There you go.